everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your JustConnect account. So in order to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by pressing that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Now let's get started. Go ahead and open up your preferred web browser and in the search box or the URL box at the top, type in justconnect.justice.nsw.gov.au and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the login screen for JustConnect. First, enter your email address associated with your account and you can click the next button. Soon after you do that, you'll be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and enter the correct password associated with your account and then click on the login button. But if you've ever forgotten your password during login, you can get help by clicking on forgotten your password and follow through the prompts. After filling in both of your email and password, click the log on button and you'll be able to log into your JustConnect account with a few simple steps. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.